Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see the review of this Portronic wireless mouse. See here. If you can observe, this is the unboxing video of this same mouse, wireless mouse, Portronic Thought 23 wireless mouse for laptops and PCs. And I purchased this for 300 rupees. Now we'll see the review, the full details about this mouse. And this video was uploaded like 5 months back. As I told you, after 6 months I'll be doing a review video on this. See, this is the small nano receiver which you need to connect, and no need to install any software. Directly when you attach this to your USB port on the laptop, it just works. So if you can observe, there is cursor here. Yeah, this is the mouse cursor. And please do comment how is this keychain also. Okay, yeah. And coming to my experience on using this Portronics wireless mouse for the past 6 months nearly, this is very responsive, and this works with the single battery, you can say. See, one single battery, and the battery is also, battery is not included in the package. Remember, okay, battery, the cell, it won't be included. Only you'll receive this Portronics wireless mouse only. You need to purchase that separate. And during the 6 months, the responsiveness of this Portronics wireless mouse is pretty good. And here is the DPI, where you can increase and decrease the sensitivity. See here. Now the movement of the mouse will be increased, means with less movement. Here the movement of the mouse cursor will vary. So I'll be keeping it to back by again clicking on this. According to your requirement, you can adjust with this button. See here, DPI button. And the scroll you can see. And to my comfort, I just purchased this laptop table, Eurocon laptop table for 1400 rupees on Flipkart. If possible, I'll attach these two products in the view products list. You can check. And now we'll do a small test of the distance. Means I'll be operating this mouse from this desk, and I'll be keeping this laptop somewhere near my TV unit. So I'll be just placing the laptop here over some distance. Okay, just for a moment. Yeah, now the laptop is at that far, and what I'll try to do is I'll try to just operate this mouse from here, and I'm unable to capture these both at the same time. So I'll be just closing that window. Okay, yeah, see, that window has been closed, and again another window, if you can see or not. So I'm just operating. I'll minimize the home Chrome here. This is the mouse where I'm operating. See, at this distance also the mouse is working. And coming back, yeah, I'm pretty much satisfied with the mouse. At some point of time, if the laptop is in sleep state, or if the initial login of the laptop, it takes just 10 seconds to respond. So if when you are in no use, you need to turn off this mouse like this with this button available at the back side. But I usually won't turn off this because I'll forget to turn off this again. All the 6 months this on button is just stayed like this. Remember me, I'm telling it very honestly. I didn't switch off this. Means we can switch off this. It is a good practice to switch off this, but to save the battery power consumption. So but I never used to switch off this. But if you keep it idle for some time, after some time this mouse also will get into sleep state. So when there is a movement only, it will awake, and it takes hardly 10 seconds to 20 seconds to get awake. So if you don't feel any responsiveness of the Mouse, you can just turn it off once and turn it back again, and then it works very fine. And please do comment which mouse are you using and your opinions on this mouse and the video. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.